Sainam students, today we are going to study English grammar, and in English grammar we are going to study our continued chapter which was our chapter number 5, articles. Our chapter number 5, articles, and this is the part second of our chapter number 5. So first let's recall the chapter number 5, articles. We are going to recall the chapter first. So as we had read about the articles, there are three kinds of articles. One is an, a, and the. So first is we are going to read about the article an. The article an is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sound. Example, here what we know about that, we had read in the last video that articles n article n is used always with vowels. Article n is used always with the vowels. That means whenever any word starts with a vowel, that means a, e, i, o, u, we use n before that word. So the article n is used before singular. Basically it is used always with the singular countable nouns which begin with the vowel sounds. Here are some example of an. He is an actor. He is an actor. Here an shows that it is the article an because we use an before actor, because actor starts with the word a, which is a vowel. Next is she didn't get an invitation. We use an here because invitation starts with the word I, and I is a vowel. Next is I saw an eagle. Here again we use an before eagle because I saw an eagle at the zoo, because eagle starts with the word e, and e is a vowel. So whenever we see a vowel, we write n before that. Here are some more examples with the sentences. An apple a day is very good for you. An apple a day is very good for you. Here again we use n before apple because apple starts with the word a. Next is I would like an orange. I would like an orange. Please, again we use n before orange because orange starts with the word o. Orange starts with the word o. That is why we use n before orange, because it is a vowel. Now see the next. 12 is an even number. 12 is an even number. Here again we use n before even because even starts with the word e, and e is a vowel. E is a vowel. So 12 is an even number. Next is I have an idea. I have an idea. So here again we use n before idea word because idea starts with the word I, and I is a vowel. Now see the next. This is all about your n. This is all the revision about the n letter. That means an article. Next is the article a. We are going to study about the article a here. Let's revise it. The article a is used before singular countable nouns which begins with the consonant sounds. Whenever there is a word starts with the consonant, we use article a there. Example, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. So we use a before teacher because teacher starts with the letter T. So T is a consonant. Next is she does not own a car. She does not own a car. Here again car starts with the word C, and C is the consonant. That is why we use a before the car. Next is I saw a bear. I saw a bear at the zoo. Here again bear starts with the word B, so that is why we use a before bear, because B is a consonant. B is a I have a dog. Again we use a before dog because dog starts with the word D, and D is a consonant. That is why we use a. So I have a dog. Next is Ria wants a bicycle. Ria wants a bicycle. So here again, in Ria wants a bicycle sentence, we use A before bicycle because bicycle starts with the word letter B and B is a consonant. That is why we use A before bicycle. Next is Raman is a good teacher. Raman is a good teacher. Here again we use A before good because good starts with the word G and G is a consonant. That is why we use A before good. So Raman is a good teacher. Raman is a good teacher. Now the next which is used is, just a second, the. Here we see the word the, use of the word the, use of the article the. The is used to refer to a specific or a particular member of a group. Whenever we are referring to any particular person, place, thing, or idea, or anything which is a particular. So then in this sentence, for the specific thing we use the. We use always the. Okay, we use always the before a specific noun. Example is, see, the Himalaya. The Himalaya. Here we use the before Himalaya because Himalayan mountains are a particular, or we can say specific thing. We use the before Himalaya. Next is the Taj Mahal. There is only one Taj Mahal all over around the world. So this is a specific thing, Taj Mahal. That is why we use the before Taj Mahal. Next is the sun. Sun is also a for sun. Now see the next. Some more example. Take the bus. Here is we are talking about a particular bus, so we use the before bus. Take the bus. Next is the dog chased the ball. Here again we are talking about a specific dog, so we use the before the dog. We use the before the dog because we are talking about a specific dog. Okay. Now see the next example. The children were happy. The children were happy. Here we are talking about the particular children, the specific children. So that is why we use the before the children's. That is why we use before the children's. Okay. Now I hope you are clear with A and the. Now you are clear with the usage of A and the. So let's begin with the book activity. So see in your books and understand what we are going to study. So in the first activity of your book, it is written, choose the word from the box and place them in column A and in column B with suitable article A or N. Okay, you have to use A or N in by choosing the word from the column which is given below. So you have to just pick the word and see whether it is a article word of A or article word of N. Whether we use before the word A or N. So let's see, if we have to write the A letter words, we have to write them in the column. Word is done for you, which is window. So in the first C, it is written here a window, and in the second it is written an onion. Second word, an onion. Now see the third word, which is glass. So glass starts with the word G, and G is a consonant. G is a consonant. So before consonant we always use A. So write them in the column A. A glass. A glass. Now see the second shoe. Shoe starts with the word S, and S is a consonant. Again write the shoe in the column A. Write A shoe. A shoe. Now the next word is animal. Next word is animal. So animal starts with the letter A, and A is a vowel. A is a vowel. So write this in the column B. An animal. Then is candle. Then is candle. Candle starts with the word C and C is a consonant. So write down a candle. A candle. Write down in the column A. Then coat. Coat again starts with the word C. So write this in the column A because C is a consonant. Write a coat. A coat. Next is orange. Orange starts with the letter O and O is a vowel. So we always write N before a vowel. So write an orange and write this in the column B. Next is monkey. Next is monkey. Monkey starts with the letter M and M is a consonant. So we write A before monkey. I and which is a vowel. So write an igloo. An igloo. Write in the column B an igloo. Next is ink pot. Ink pot again starts with the word I and I is a vowel. That is why we should have to write N before the ink pot. So write in the column B an ink pot. Next is arrow. Next is arrow. Arrow starts again with the letter A and A is a vowel. So we have to write N before the arrow. So write in the column B an arrow. An arrow. And the next is parrot. Parrot starts with the consonant P. So write A before the parrot. Next is arm. Write N before arm because arm starts with the letter A and A is a vowel. So write in the column B. Now in the column A write down the next word hand. Hand starts with the word H and H is a consonant. That is why we use A before hand. Last is R. As I told you before, H in the words which have the silent sound of H, they also consist of the N. N, that means they are the vowel. When we are pronouncing the word R, we produce the sound of A. So that that means A is a vowel. That is why we use N before N R. So write in the column B N R. Now see the next activity. Next activity is your help these animals and birds and write their names on the name plates hanging from their neck. You have to write the name of these animals which is shown on your screen. See, first is I am a dog. This is the picture of a dog. Then write I am a dog. Next is what it is? It is owl. Then I am owl. O-W-L, owl. Next is again I am pigeon. Write down P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Next is horse. I am horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Next is elephant. I am elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Next picture is of cow. Write down I am cow. C-O-W, cow. Now see, next is written here. Now let us learn where to use the. Where is also an article, which is also an article. Look at the following sentence. Here is written about the article the. So the Himalayas are great mountains and the sun is also a star. Here Himalayas and sun is a particular and a specific thing. So you have to mention the before them. Here the article the is used. When we talk about a particular thing or person, we use the article the here. So next activity is based on this. So you have to just use the article the in the blanks below. So you just have to write the in the blanks. So first is the Ganga is a river. The Ganga is a river. Second, dash postman brings letter. You have to write the postman brings letter. Third is dash star shines at night. So the stars shine at night. Fourth is dash woman was sitting in the bus. So you have to write the woman was sitting in the bus. Fifth is dash teacher taught us the lesson well. So the Okay, and with the correct spellings. Next is here given some more questions. You have to answer these questions. So see in your books. The first is, who am I? Here given you some riddles. You have to write down, who am I? The answer is given in the brackets in the jumbled words. Okay, the first is, I am a great mountain in India. I am a great mountain in India. So, the great mountain in India is Himalayas. So, in this jumbled words, you have to write, I am Himalayas. Write down the spelling of Himalayas. 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 Second is, I am a holy book of the Hindus. I am a holy book of the Hindus. I am Gita. I am Gita. So the spelling of Gita is Gita. 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 Next is, I am one of the seventh wonders of the world. Who is the seventh wonder of the world? I am Taj Mahal. I am Taj Mahal. Write down Tajmahal. Tajmahal. Taj Mahal. Now the fourth is, I am a sacred river in India. I am a sacred river in India. So I am Ganga. I am Ganga. So the spelling of Ganga is Ganga. Ganga. Next is fifth. I am a musical instrument Ustad Zakir Hussain plays. Which musical instrument does Ustad Zakir Hussain plays? I am tabla. Next is, I am one of the leading newspaper in India. I am one of the leading newspaper in India. I am Times of India. Times of India. Times. Times of India. India. Times of India. Now the next question is, fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. You just have to fill these blanks with the suitable articles. So the first dash is, dash aeroplane is. So aeroplane starts with the word A and it is a vowel. So we have to write N before aeroplane. So an aeroplane is dash flying machine. So flying machine starts with the word F. F is a consonant, so we write A. So an aeroplane is a flying machine. Next is, it is what? It is a wonderful machine. It is a wonderful machine. Next is, it looks like a bird. It is one of dash fastest. Fastest is a particular word used for a particular thing. So it is a one of the fastest means to travel. It is one of the fastest means to travel. Next is dash aeroplane. Again, aeroplane we use N. An aeroplane uses petrol. An aeroplane uses petrol. There are big as well as small aeroplanes. It is not safe to fly an aeroplane in the storm. In the storm or bad weather. Next is the pilot. Pilot is a particular person, so we use the. The pilots have to be very well trained. Very well trained. Next is dash place. A place where planes take off and land is called an aerodrome. So this is all about your book work of English grammar. So write down in your books well and study well at your home. Stay well, stay safe. Thank you so much and have a nice day.